What is up, guys? Welcome to today's YouTube video. I did not post Monday, and today I'm supposed to post a video, but I think I'm gonna just start posting every Friday to have more time and have more content for you and post out longer videos. So I think I'm gonna start posting every Friday and try to post at least an 8-minute long or more video for you guys, of course. But it's gonna be vlogging my whole day and what I do and just little things like that. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing. I just made a new intro and I made a new outro. You guys are gonna see it and tell me what you think about it. So right now we gotta do some schoolwork because today is Wednesday. We didn't have school, but we have assignments. So I gotta get doing that. And but that's until 3. It's about like, let me check. It's 11:30 right now, so we still got time. So yeah, guys, I just got done doing my schoolwork. Right now I'm editing a video for you. Hopefully you guys get this video on Friday, like I said, and hopefully it's an 8-minute long video or longer. And yeah, you guys please comment down below what you guys want to see for the next videos, because I know they're going to be better and they're going to be great. So right now it's the next day. I'm in 3rd period right now doing school, and we'll see what happens throughout the day today, because I don't think nothing's gonna happen. It's just gonna be the same thing as yesterday, but just with school. So yeah. What's up, guys? This is the next day. It is 10:30 right now. We are in 3rd period. Just taking some notes right now. Yesterday I didn't really vlog yesterday that much, but I think that today we're gonna put a reaction video up with this vlog. So yeah. Right now, guys, I just got out of school. It's kind of raining a little bit. I'm with Bruno. We're just playing around right now. But tomorrow I have something up my sleeves. Tomorrow we are going to be watching the fight that's going on tomorrow. I'm gonna be vlogging. I'm gonna be taking you guys with me, and we're gonna see how it goes. Hopefully Canelo wins, because that's who I'm rooting for, of course. Look at this guy. But yeah, guys.
Hey, how y'all? Get your fucking dog, bitch! It don't bite. Yes, it do!
So yeah, guys, that was just me and Bruno playing around. This guy has way too much energy today, so yeah. Right now, I'm finna edit and see what clips I can add to make this video somewhat entertainment and make it better for you guys. Of course, I've been trying to get better with editing skills, of course, and everything. I've been working. I've been searching up video clips and everything to make YouTube videos of mine better for you guys, of course. It takes me a little bit more work, but for real, it's anything for y'all. So right now, I'm gonna get into iMovie. We're gonna see what we got right now. After editing, I have to get ready to go to work, actually. So we got this. Hat, socks. Gotta get ready. Keys, socks. Put my socks on real quick. Gotta make sure we get my headphones. Gotta get my wallet. And then shoes. I think we're good. Oh. Of course. Ugh. Okay, and I think we're ready to go. So hey guys, I'm gonna get in the car and move vlog from the car. Right now my mom just made me food. Look at that.
2,000 years later.
What is up, guys? I just got out of work. I'm waiting for my mom to pick me up right now. I'm just gonna be continuing this vlog and see where it goes. Right now it's raining, so it's really cold right now, and I didn't bring a sweatshirt. I played myself. Cheers, guys. What's up, guys? I just came home. I just got home. I'm gonna get undressed and I'm gonna get into editing this video to post it. But for now, this is gonna be it for this video. I'm sorry, but at the same time, just know that tomorrow I'm gonna try to get more content for you and try to see what happens during the day, because there's more that's gonna happen during the day because there's a fight and everything. We're just gonna be chilling with fam. So yeah. This is going to be it for the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And make sure to comment down below what's your favorite food. Just comment down below what's your favorite food. So, yeah.